Hello, guys. Nice to meet you. I'm Jonathan Rodriguez and I'm 30 years old. I'm going to be your English tutor for this B1 English course. I hope that you're going to learn and enjoy the different activities prepared for you during this semester. I'm going to tell you that I've been English teacher for 10 years and I have teach in different elementary, high school, and university levels. This is my fourth year in UNAT University teaching this foreign language. And also I have to tell you that I have different kind of activities that I really love to do. For example, I love to sing, I love to dance, I really like to go to walk with my friends. Also, I like to go to drink something with them when I have free time because, I'm studying and I'm working at the same time, so it's going to be a little difficult to do things we like to do in our free time. Well, I really love to read. Nowadays, I'm reading this kind of book that is called Enfermedad Mental en Psicología, written by Michel Foucault. And I'm trying to learn a lot of things that help us to improve the processes to be a teacher and also to help my students to improve different kind of skills that they can develop throughout our courses. According to my academic formation, I must tell you that I study a foreign language teaching at La Salle University, so I can teach English, French, and Spanish for foreigners. I have experience in those different files. Also after that, I start a specialization in pedagogic and teaching at Fundación Universitaria del Área Andina. And also, I got my first master this year in inclusive and intercultural education from Universidad Internacional de La Rioja. Nowadays, I'm studying a second master in ICT, that is going to be information and communication technologies applied to education at ICC University. And that's all for me. So I hope that you're going to join this course, and it's going to be an excellent opportunity to practice a lot this wonderful language that you're learning. So I hope that you can do the best and you're going to improve all your skills. Thank you a lot for watching this video, and I hope to see you around. So have a nice semester. Bye bye. See you later.